Standing in my 60-inch corn plot. How we got here? Twitter, I think, and the Dirt Workshop last year. Just people were talking about wanting to do it. A few years ago, I was into 22-inch rows. Saw that I was struggling to get cover crops established without, just couldn't get the light. Opportunity arose so that we traded planters. Got into 30-inch corn. First year, I'm going into it thinking, wow, there's a lot more room there. The corn got tall and still the same shade factor. You just don't get enough light down in there for the cover crops to get any value out of it, realistically. The idea of 60-inch corn was out there, and guys were trying it and having fair success, I think, doing it. We thought, let's get on the bandwagon here and give it a whirl, see what we can do. We're really looking to better the soil as much as we can. If we can get as many different types of living roots in the soil as what we're really after. In the same token, we're going to graze it also this fall after we harvest. Do we have enough out here to justify huge benefit in it? Probably not. We need to up the rates, but with the goal of soil health and a goal of grazing to get cattle integrated into the soil, I think it's a win-win all the way around it. This 60-inch plot is actually on some new ground that we took on this year. Soybeans last year. It's been conventionally farmed. Very high sand, light sand. What type of benefit are we really getting out of extra roots and the different types of cover crops out here? What really happens in the soil? What's really going on? We're putting more live roots in the ground longer and different things. We know what happens there, but is there a true benefit, short-term, long-term in that? Is all of this worth it? Are we gonna better ourselves down the road? Are we jumping 10 times faster into no-till because of cover crops, or are cover crops just a fad?